Hey guys, here is my review on the Fire TV Cube from Amazon, a game changer when it comes to home entertainment because it combines the functionalities of a streaming device and a smart speaker. One of the standout features of the Fire TV Cube is its voice control capabilities. With built-in Amazon Alexa, you can effortlessly navigate through your favorite shows, movies, and apps using just your voice, which is remarkably accurate. It supports 4K Ultra HD streaming, HDR, and Dolby Atmos audio, ensuring stunning visuals and excellent sound quality. With a powerful processor and ample storage, it delivers smooth streaming. Fire TV Cube setup is intuitive and integrates very easy with your existing home theater system and is compatible with a wide range of smart home devices, allowing you to control your entire entertainment ecosystem with a single device. Additionally, the Fire TV Cube provides access to a vast library of streaming services, including popular platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and more. The user interface is user-friendly and offers personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits. I really enjoy all the features and content access that the Amazon Fire TV Cube is offering, so I believe it was a great purchase. Thank you for your time.